Good morning, happy Tuesday. And if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, it is Successful Wear LLC on YouTube. Guys, get subscribed. It is a digital customizing and custom printing, black-owned, family-owned e-commerce online business, guys. Get subscribed. So today's video, I'm showing you guys a quick video. I did a video saying we will be introducing some earrings to our website. So I handcrafted and made me some of my own earrings, guys. If you're interested in knowing how to make these, you can go right on Amazon. I got this off of Amazon, guys. And you can, instead of spending money on earrings, you can make your own. So that's what I did. It's sublimation earrings, and they're sublimation blank earrings. So I needed my sublimation paper, and that's what I needed to print on. And this is sublimation paper, which is used to print sublimation on. The earrings are right here. And you're like, these don't look like earrings, but they actually start off like this. So it came a little compressed, but they're like this. And you guys know the little hook that comes on the earrings, that's this. Then you have the little earring part that goes over the ear, in your ear hole. And then it came with some little bags, which I actually like. I'm about to bag some up because if you guys notice, guys, yes, I made my very first pair, guys, of earrings. And I got this image off of Cricut, guys, off my Cricut. So, yes, guys, please feel free to copy any custom design earring images that you want. We will do them. Like I said, this wasn't really that hard of a project, guys. Here's the little plastic back pieces that came with it. And like I said, guys, I assembled it all by myself, all on my own. Literally the whole thing I assembled. If you're not a person who doesn't mind, if you are a person who doesn't mind being meticulous, taking your time, this is a nice little project for your small business, and you can sell your own earrings online, guys. Like I said, here's the little bags. Here's the little holders for the earrings. That's this part right here that it came on. And guys, you literally put together your own earrings. So you have these, which are the blank earrings. And let me just show you what it is. You're like, well, why that's blue? What it is it comes with a little film on it. I'm going to put this right here like this, guys, so you can see what I'm doing. Let's stand up my tablet. So it comes with a little blue film over it, which is to protect the sublimation white piece underneath, which you will be putting your image on to sublimate. So let me just show you guys. So it comes like that, guys, and you peel it. Yeah, peel it right off with your weeder. So I'm gonna show you guys right quick. You have your weeder, and let me see if I can do it. It's kind of hard, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys again. So here's the weeder. And it came with that too, guys. That's actually good. Which I have weeders for my Cricut, but it came with its own weeder. So you just literally put a little hole right there. Start peeling it until you get to the white. And then you have your blank wooden blank sublimation earring, guys. Look at that. And you can build on it however you choose to. So guys, I encourage you to go check that out. It's HTV front sublimation earring blanks, guys. and you can make your own earrings. You can put together your own earrings, guys, and you don't have to spend money anymore. Again, you can kick your small business up by putting these on in your small business and design them with sublimation however you choose to, if you're familiar with sublimation. So again, if you're not subscribed to Successful Wear LLC, please guys get subscribed. And I'm about to bag these up in the little earring bag so that I can put them on our website, guys. Again, these earrings will be going on our website, and that is www.successfulwearclothingllc.com. And they will be for the low price of $15, guys. You can purchase these sublimated hand crafted, hand designed earrings, and literally put together piece by piece. So $15, guys. You can buy these, and you can shop them on our website, www.successfulwearclothingllc.com, or you can check us out on YouTube and get subscribed at Successful Wear LLC. Have an amazing day. And again, this is a sublimation earring project, guys. And it's actually not a project. I'm about to put these on my website for sale, guys. I like these. So small businesses, supporting small businesses, guys. I encourage. I like these. This was a nice little, and look at that. I made my own little earrings, handmade. So have a good day, guys. And again, Successful Wear LLC on YouTube. Get subscribed.